Presenting to you the athletes for event number 16, 800-meter dash, heat number 1, semifinals, elementary girls. From District 1, athlete number 006, Christine Joy B. Gakayan. From District 2, athlete number 027, Nicole P. Viduya. And from District 3, athlete number 031, Kathleen Mabel E. Apiado. For heat number 2, District 1, athlete number 009, Kathleen Joy D. Hukar. From District 2, athlete number 016, Darlene Cariaga. And from District 3, athlete number 033, Alyssa Corpuz. Athletes, raise your hands together, then take a bow.